These 7 amazing grains can actually boost your body's own natural collagen production, keep your skin hydrated and elastic, and even protect your existing collagen from breaking down. Grain number 6 will shock you. It's one of the most powerful collagen-boosting grains out there. Yet most people have never even heard of it. Once you find out what these ancient grains can do for your skin, you'll never want to skip them again. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive in. Why grains are essential for collagen. Grains are small, but they're absolutely packed with nutrition. Think of them as little vaults of life, filled with amino acids, essential minerals, and antioxidants. Everything inside a grain is designed to grow into a strong plant, which means when you eat them, you're feeding your body the same building blocks of life. And here's the best part. Several grains are especially powerful for skin health and collagen synthesis. They contain the exact nutrients your body needs to build collagen, that protein that keeps your skin plump, smooth, and youthful. Most people think they need expensive collagen powder, but that's not how your body actually works. If you want to learn more about collagen and how to smooth wrinkles naturally, join our Collagen Blueprint free community today. So let's go one by one through the 7 grains I recommend you add to your diet if you want to fight wrinkles, slow down aging, and glow naturally. Let's start with grain number 1, quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, including lysine, which is critical for collagen production. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides about 20% of your daily zinc, a key mineral your body uses to actually build collagen. It also contains copper, manganese, and phosphorus, which support collagen in the skin, joints, and connective tissue. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology shows quinoa's amino acid profile can help stimulate natural collagen production while protecting existing collagen from damage. Aim for half to 1 cup cooked per day. Enjoy it as a breakfast porridge or as a base for salads. Always rinse quinoa before cooking to remove its natural bitter coating. Grain number 2, oats. You probably have these in your pantry right now. 1 cup of raw oats has about 3.6 milligrams of zinc. That's almost 30% of your daily needs. But here's what makes oats special. Oats contain beta-glucan. This fiber helps your skin produce more collagen by reducing inflammation. When your body is inflamed, it produces enzymes that literally eat your collagen and destroy it. Beta-glucan stops this inflammatory response, which means your existing collagen stays intact longer. A study from the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that people who ate oats regularly showed better skin elasticity over time. Now here's the thing, steel-cut oats and rolled oats have way more beneficial compounds than instant oats. Skip the instant stuff. Aim for about half a cup to 1 cup of cooked oats per day. My favorite way? Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats with milk, add chia seeds, refrigerate overnight. Grain number 3, millet. This tiny grain is loaded with 3 specific amino acids, proline, glycine, and serine. These are directly involved in creating and maintaining collagen. When you eat millet, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to build collagen from the ground up. But here's the best part. Millet contains silica. This mineral is essential for cross-linking collagen fibers. It helps them create a strong network that gives structure to your skin. Studies show finger millet can increase collagen synthesis in the skin. Research found it hastened wound healing through increased collagen production. One study even found millet extract can reduce hair loss by up to 70% because it strengthens protein structures in your body, including collagen. Cook millet just like rice. Use a 2.5 to 1 water ratio. Takes about 20 minutes. Have it as breakfast porridge or use it as a base for savory dishes. Start with about half a cup of cooked millet 3 to 4 times per week. Grain number 4, amaranth. This ancient grain is a true mineral powerhouse. Just 1 cup of cooked amaranth provides about 30% of your daily copper needs. Copper is essential for collagen because it activates an enzyme called lysyl oxidase, which helps bind collagen fibers together. Think of collagen like long protein strands. Copper helps lock them in place, making your skin firmer and your joints stronger. Without enough copper, collagen becomes weak, leading to faster aging. Amaranth also contains zinc and iron, both important for collagen-building amino acids like proline. To use it, cook amaranth like rice using a 2.5 to 1 water ratio. It takes about 20 minutes and has a mild, nutty flavor. Enjoy it as a breakfast porridge or as a side dish with lunch or dinner. If you want faster results, join our Collagen Blueprint community, where you'll get routines, recipes, and courses to firm your skin naturally. Grain number 5, buckwheat. Despite the name, Buckwheat is completely gluten-free. 1 cup of cooked buckwheat provides over 100% of your daily copper, plus zinc and manganese, all key minerals for collagen. What makes buckwheat special is its high lysine content, an essential amino acid your body needs to build collagen. It also contains rutin and quercetin, antioxidants that help protect existing collagen from breaking down. If you have a sensitive gut, start small. Otherwise, cook buckwheat like rice, or use buckwheat flour for pancakes or noodles. And now for grain number 6, the one that will shock you, teff. This is the smallest grain in the world, but it's packed with nutrients that support collagen production. Here's why teff is so good for collagen. Teff contains iron, zinc, calcium, and here's the kicker: vitamin C. Yes, you heard that right. Teff is one of the few grains that actually contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body cannot produce collagen at all. 1 cup of cooked teff gives you 10% of your daily calcium and 25% of your daily iron, plus zinc, copper, and vitamin B6, all essential for collagen production. Teff also contains all 8 essential amino acids and 13% protein. That makes it one of the most nutritionally complete grains you can eat. Plus, teff is high in resistant starch that feeds good gut bacteria. A healthy gut means less inflammation, and less inflammation means your collagen stays intact longer. Cook teff as a porridge for breakfast. Use a 3-to-1 water ratio. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes. You can also find teff flour for baking. Aim for about half a cup of cooked teff 3 to 4 times per week. And finally, grain number 7, barley. This ancient grain is rich in nutrients that support collagen and skin health. Barley contains lysine, an essential amino acid needed to build collagen, and selenium, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect skin cells from damage. What really sets barley apart is its beta-glucans. Research shows they work with barley's amino acids to improve skin firmness and elasticity, helping reduce fine lines caused by dryness. Barley also provides zinc, B vitamins, and iron, all important for healthy skin and hair. You can enjoy barley in soups, stews, or as a side dish. Cook it like rice. Choose whole barley for more nutrients or pearl barley if you prefer faster cooking. How to combine them. Now here's the most powerful strategy. Don't just eat one of these grains. Rotate through all 7. That way, you're getting a wide variety of minerals and amino acids, and you're making sure your body has everything it needs for maximum collagen production. By rotating through these 7 grains, you're covering all your bases. You're getting zinc, copper, manganese, iron, vitamin C, silica, and all the amino acids your body needs. And here's something really important to remember. These grains work best when you combine them with other collagen-supporting foods. Make sure you're also eating plenty of leafy greens for vitamin C, citrus fruits for extra vitamin C, and healthy fats like avocado and nuts to help absorb the minerals. If you want to take your skincare to the next level and see smoother, firmer skin in just 90 days or less, join our Collagen Blueprint community today. You'll get routines, recipes, courses, and a supportive group, all for free as a founding member. Click the link in the description to get started now. Also, you need to avoid foods that destroy collagen. That means cutting back on sugar, processed foods, and too much alcohol. All of these speed up collagen breakdown. As always, simple natural things work the best. God gave us all the remedies we need right here on Earth. I pray God bless you and heal any illness in your body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.